Hello everyone, my name is Brian O and I am one of the directors here at Royal Education. I am also going to be one of the instructors here during this summer's digital SAT program. The purpose of this video is to actually provide a demo of our SAT platform, but before doing so, I wanted to explain why we at Royal Education are so adamant about having our practice exams done digitally or on a computer compared to doing a physical exam. So I want to tell a quick little story. So when I was applying for Columbia for my graduate school, there was an exam that I had to take called the GRE. And the GRE is a digital exam that's adaptive. It's very similar to the digital SAT. And so when I was taking the GRE, I actually practiced the physical packets, but actually took the real exam on the digital platform. And what happened was that I did find a few factors that really threw me off when I was taking the GRE. The first thing is it's the fact that we were using computers, and for me, just the general experience of clicking and typing and doing that sort of stuff actually threw me off quite a bit comparative to me doing doing it on paper with a pencil and so on. So just that general experience and that feeling was very different to me when I was taking the digital exam. But the second thing, particularly, I did want to emphasize was the functionalities. So what happened was that when I was taking the GRE, and this is also the case on the digital SAT, they have some functionalities like bookmarking. You have the ability to choose a certain question, to click and jump questions along the way, which is not an experience that you'll be able to reciprocate on a physical paper. And so I really encourage students to actually get accustomed to these functionalities, including slashing out certain answers that just it is very different how it operates, and would be nice to know before you actually take the real digital SAT exam. The last thing particular that I wanted to emphasize is the calculator. And so on the digital SAT, they'll actually allow you to bring your own calculator, based on College Board's requirements, but you're also allowed to use the digital SAT's calculator called Desmos. And so I really strongly encourage students to actually get the practice of using both tools because they both provide different strengths. The physical calculator and the Desmos calculator provide different tools and strengths that could expedite the process of solving problems, but sometimes also could hinder and slow you down along the way. So it's just having this experience of doing the digital SAT on a computer is very invaluable towards making sure you have a strong first attempt or even multiple attempts on the SAT. That being stated, now that I explained a little bit about the reasoning why we created the adaptive SAT exam, I want to now switch over to showing you what our SAT sort of platform looks like. Hello everyone, this is Brian again, right here in the corner. So this is a screen share recording of the demo SAT platform that we are currently using. I want to make it clear that this is not the real exam. This is just a sample of it, a demo or beta, as I'll call it, of the platform. As you notice, I'm currently on question 3 out of 4, while the actual exam for the reading section should be about 27 questions, and the timer is set up very short. But the purpose I'm trying to show is that by the time that we have the June SAT summer camp, we anticipate this platform to even be cleaned up even more or being even better or stronger in functionality. But right now, I just wanted to provide a quick presentation to show you that it works appropriately, that the platform is supposed to reiterate the digital SAT experience, and that we hope that by having this type of setup, that students will be able to benefit significantly with a lot of practice and experience doing so that by the time they take the digital SAT, that they are ready to score the goal, if not higher score than they anticipate. Thank you so much for joining us today on this video. If you have questions, if you'd like to sign up for our summer program here at Royal Education, feel free to contact us. The information should be on the flyer. But that being stated, I'll be also providing the email address, the website, along with our phone number in the description below on this YouTube video. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.